Alright, so here's a few units at this taco place. Looks like we have a 80s day and night. That Goodman right there is running. Yep, 80s day and night. These units are beasts. I saw on Andrew Beedish, one of Andrew Beedish's videos, that he got a video on these. So I'm guessing... Holy hell, it's dirty. Ah. Barely get to the 1986. What tonnage? Model. This thing's really freaking dirty. 2 ton? I think that might be from 1986 and it's a 2 ton. Day and night. So good old 80s unit. And then here's this Goodman that's running. And it's frozen up, as you can see. It's nice and warm. That line's frozen. Holy hell, yeah, this thing's low on charge. And look, the line isn't even warm. The air coming out of there is kind of warm. Oh yeah, this thing's got something up with it. There's York Stellar. Let's see. 2004. 3 ton. Yeah, it's bad. It's pretty thick, too. All frozen up. And the panel is half off of it, too. I'll be damned, there's like a inner therm or something up there. I'm gonna try and get up there. That's running. York Stellar. Guessing it's straight cool. That's too faded to read. Damn it. Yeah, too faded to read. I'm guessing this is from the 80s. Weird installs. There's someone up there. I can't get into there, but unfortunately.